guys, so happy to have you here today. Today we are changing a shower head. Either whether you have a leaky one or you want to put a brand new one on, or you just want to learn how to put on a shower head and learn for when you do need to put one on, you're in the right place. We're going to go over some of the tools that we need and we will get started. It's very simple and very easy. Once you know it for life. Alright, let's get into it. These are the tools that you are going to need. Your hands, of course. Then, you're going to need a wrench. Any adjustable wrench will do. This happens to be a crescent wrench. And it doesn't matter if it's expensive or inexpensive, it doesn't matter. As long as it feels like a good enough wrench where you can complete the job. And basically, you can use pliers, a channel wrench, or a crescent wrench. Any adjustable wrench will do. Don't try to just do it with your hands. The result will not be as desired. And you will end up having a leaky shower head. And it could just not work as well over time. You'll constantly have to adjust it or fix it. But if you use an adjustable wrench during this process, it'll be a permanent fix until you're ready to change it once again. Now, you're gonna need something called plumber's tape. It does kind of look funny. You're expecting like tape, but it is tape. It's just a different type of tape. It's not a sticky tape. It's kind of a silicone-y, stretchy tape. And what it's going to do, the job that this does, is going to keep your shower from leaking or twisting loose. And it does look small, but it is mighty. It will do the job and it will do it well. Let's get into the process. I happen to have a filter. I live in California and the water has a lot of hard water, and so I use it just for my hair, skin, and nails. If you have any questions or comments about it, feel free to reach me down below. I bought mine on Amazon. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your wrench and you're going to connect it to the shower head where it meets the arm, okay? And you're going to twist it and you're going to tighten it to make it as snug as you can. And then you're going to twist. And it could be hard depending on how tight the person previous tightened it, and you're just going to twist it. And then it should come loose and you won't really need this. So basically you're just going to twist it off. And then this is what it's going to look like. This right here is what it looks like. It does have a little bit of tape on here, but we will fix that. This here. We can see. Okay. Take your wrench and you're going to want to adjust it. It's a different size. And then kind of help it along. It's just the wrench is to break the seal to where it's not so tight. Then use your hands. I just wouldn't recommend to use your hands to loosen or tighten. It's best to use a tool if you can. And alright. Okay. Alright, so basically this is the flang. This is the arm, and these are the threads. These are the threads that connect to your shower head. So you're going to remove any excess plumber's tape that you have. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to remove as much as you can. And if it's not perfect, it's okay. It doesn't matter. As long as there's threads for you to wrap your plumber's tape on, you should be good. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in. Okay. Now what we're gonna do So now you're gonna grab your plumber's tape and you want about 2 to 3 inches. It doesn't matter if it's like not perfect, just don't take it so serious. You're literally gonna just place the plumber's tape right here, and then you're gonna like press it with your finger on the threads, okay? Press it, and then you wanna keep it as flat as possible. Once again, don't take it serious, it's not a big deal. Just do this again, and you're gonna pull kind of snugly, and you're gonna twist it around. Twist it around, twist it around. That should be good. 2 to 3 inches of plumber's tape should be good. And now you just wanna like, just rub it. That's what I personally do. Not sure if it's necessary, but this is how I do it. It works for me. All right, now we're gonna put it on. This is my filter that I'm putting on. So I'm twisting it with my hands first, and then we'll do the tool after if necessary, just to get a snug fit. All right, and then just take our tool, adjust it to how you need to. Ready? Twist. Perfect. Now take it off. Alright, now let's go to the shower head part. Okay. Alright. Now once again we're going to take 2 to 3 inches of plumber's tape. That's what I'm grabbing right now. Just kind of pull it off. And then once again, you're gonna put it on here. Perfect. Now rub it so it sticks to the grooves of the threads. You're gonna rub it around. Keep it as flat as possible. It's not a big deal if it kind of clumps together a little bit. You don't want it to, of course, but it's not the end of the world. Rub it around, and then rub it. Press it in the grooves. Perfect. Now it's prepped and ready to go for the shower head. So now what you're gonna do is just take your shower head, add it on, twist it with your hands. I recommend to keep your hands here just to keep it like on good. And do that, and it won't, if your shower head is kind of plastic or not all of them are always metal. Usually this part's metal, but it'll keep it from like snapping or cracking or breaking. So just get a good hold on it and help it along its way. Perfect. All right, you see these little grooves right here? We're gonna take our wrench, whatever one you chose, we're gonna adjust it. I like to do that, and then I just do one little, like I measure it to it, and then I just do one extra little twist. And then what you're gonna do is you don't want to do like one full twist around. You don't want to make it so tight. You just want to do one small twist, like maybe a 1/2 inch twist, like just a quick twist. I'll do that one more time. So we'll go back. You literally just do like one 1/2 twist. You don't go all the way around. It's good enough. If you make it too tight, the next time you want to do, if you make it too tight, the next time that you want to change your shower head, it's going to be really hard on you. And let's make it as easy as possible. So just do a 1/2 twist just so it's snug enough where it doesn't have any leaks. And let's see it in action. Alright. And we'll see if it has any leaks or anything like that. Perfect. Alright, let's do this. You will be the judge of how I did already. Perfect. Let's do this. No leaking here. It's all dry. No leaking here. It's all dry. Ready for your everyday shower. Mission completed. Thanks for changing a shower head with me. If I can do it, you can do it too. It was fun. Bye.